The Mori Seiki e77076b06 PA03220-B110 is an operator interface embedded PC used in a Mori Seiki machine tool. This unit came to us with a dead screen, which makes controlling the machine impossible. We repaired the dead screen, and, as you watch this video, you can see the system works fine. This system was configured to boot up to Windows, which we left intact so the system could be reinstalled with very little tweaking. At ERD, we always attempt to leave all parameters as they are found in order to provide our customers with the quickest return to operation. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.